Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Philippine Serpent Eagle, Spilornis holospilus. The Philippine Serpent Eagle is a medium-sized raptor endemic to the Philippines. It belongs to the family Accipitridae, which includes hawks, eagles, and kites. Known for its piercing calls and distinct plumage, this bird is often seen soaring over forested landscapes in search of prey. Physical description. The Philippine Serpent Eagle has a striking appearance that helps it adapt to life in dense forests. Feathers. Its dark brown plumage helps it blend into the forest canopy, while the speckled white throat and yellow cirri, the fleshy part above the beak, are key features that make it easily identifiable. Head. The crested head makes it look majestic, like many birds of prey. This crest isn't as obvious as the crests in some other raptors, but is still noticeable. Legs. The scaly legs are an adaptation for hunting snakes and other reptiles. These scales help protect the eagle from the bites of venomous snakes, which form a significant portion of its diet. Size. The Philippine Serpent Eagle has a moderate size compared to other eagles, with a length of about 42 to 55 centimeters, 16 to 22 inches. It's not too large but still impressive. Wingspan. With a wingspan of 110 to 130 centimeters, 43 to 51 inches, it's built for agile flight through forests, which is important for hunting and maneuvering around dense trees. Weight. This eagle weighs about 500 to 1,200 grams, or 1.1 to 2.6 pounds, making it lightweight enough for quick, agile movements, but strong enough to carry its prey. Behavior. This eagle is active during the day. It hunts and forages when visibility is better, allowing it to spot prey with its excellent eyesight. Calls, the loud whistling calls it makes, are used for communication, both to warn other birds or predators of its presence and as a territorial marker. The call is often heard before the bird is seen. Solitary and territorial. It's a territorial bird, meaning it fiercely protects its hunting and nesting area. It's either solitary or lives in a pair, which helps it raise its young with a steady supply of food. Perching. This eagle spends a lot of time perched on tall trees, scanning its surroundings for prey. Its preferred vantage point allows it to see a wide area and spot movement on the ground. Diet. The Philippine Serpent Eagle primarily hunts snakes, but it is not limited to them. It also eats lizards, frogs, small mammals, and even birds. This diverse diet helps it thrive in various forest ecosystems. Hunting style. It hunts by gliding silently above the forest, using its keen eyesight to spot prey from a height. Once it sees a potential meal, it swoops down with speed and precision, often capturing snakes and lizards in mid-flight or from the ground. Habitat, forest dweller. The Philippine Serpent Eagle thrives in lowland forests, where the dense canopy offers plenty of cover and hunting opportunities. It is also found in mangroves and at the edges of forests, where it can take advantage of a variety of habitats. Elevation. It is usually found in lowland areas, but it can also be seen up to 1,500 meters, 4,900 feet, above sea level in some parts of the Philippines, where it adapts to slightly higher, cooler altitudes. Breeding and reproduction, monogamy. The Philippine Serpent Eagle forms lifelong pair bonds, which is uncommon among some raptors. This lifelong partnership ensures stable care for their offspring. Nesting. They build their nests in tall trees using sticks and other materials. The nests are large and can be difficult to spot due to their height. Egg laying. The eagle typically lays a single egg. Both parents share the responsibilities of incubation and later feeding the chick after it hatches. Lifespan, wild lifespan. In the wild, the Philippine Serpent Eagle lives around 12 to 15 years. The life expectancy is often impacted by natural threats such as predators, food shortages, or disease. Captivity. In captivity, where there are no predators and food is abundant, this eagle can live much longer than in the wild. Ecological role. As a top predator, the Philippine Serpent Eagle plays an important role in controlling populations of snakes, lizards, rodents, and small birds. Its hunting helps to regulate species that might otherwise become overabundant and disrupt the ecosystem. Its presence in forests is an indicator of the health of the environment. A thriving population of these eagles suggests that the forest is well maintained and balanced. Conservation threats. The biggest threat to the Philippine serpent eagle is habitat loss due to deforestation. As forests are cleared for agriculture and urbanization, the eagle's habitat is being destroyed. Conservation efforts. Efforts to conserve this species include reforestation and habitat protection, as well as community education to raise awareness about the importance of preserving these majestic birds and their habitats. Fun facts and interesting information. Despite its name, the eagle's diet isn't limited to snakes. It's quite adaptable, eating a variety of prey found in its forest habitat. Loud call. The eagle's call sounds like a wee-wee-wee whistle, and it can often be heard before the bird itself is seen, helping locals recognize its presence in the area. Unique to the Philippines, this eagle is endemic to the Philippines, meaning it is found nowhere else in the world. This makes it particularly significant as a symbol of the country's rich natural diversity. Mistaken identity. It is sometimes confused with other serpent eagles in Southeast Asia, but its unique appearance and behavior set it apart. The Philippine serpent eagle is not just an important bird of prey, it's a symbol of the health of Philippine forests. Through its remarkable adaptations and role in the ecosystem, it helps maintain balance in its habitat, and conservation efforts ensure its continued survival in the wild.